So here we go, dacrib. Dacrib's free box 11/12 titanium that he won as part of our Facebook contest the other day. So here we go. Good luck to you, buddy. Wow, that box is full. Alright, so he starts with a nice hit. Draft Day autograph, numbered 80 of 99, Adam Larson. 80 of 99, Adam Larson. Game Gear jersey, Nicholas Backstrom. Nicky Backstrom. Game Gear jersey, Henrik Lundqvist. The King, Henrik Lundqvist. Game Gear jersey duel, number to 300, Tobias Enstrom, Arders Kulda. And here comes the boom. Not really. New Wave autograph, Justin Falk. So there you go, buddy.